Compared to the cost of capital of long-term debt, along with the cost of common stock, really the cost of capital from preferred stock is the easiest of the three to calculate. And it's found by calculating the ratio of the annual dividend that's paid to the preferred stockholder divided by the net proceeds per share that was received from the preferred stock issue. By net proceeds, what we're referring to is the gross amount of the proceeds received from the issue minus the flotation costs, which again are costs to the investment bankers who put the issue together. And then we also factor in some underpricing or even some overpricing depending on what the market conditions were at the time. So let's take a look at an example of how we would calculate the cost of capital from preferred stock. In our example, what we have is a par value preferred stock of $110 and an annual dividend of 8%. We sold the issue at $113.30 per share. So again, that's the actual amount that we received per share on the issue. And then we also have a flotation cost of $9.90 per share. So the first thing we need to do is calculate the dividend that's going to be paid on each share of preferred stock. And to do that, we just take, like we would on a bond, we take the dividend rate, which in this case is 8%, and multiply it times the par value. So again, we want to use the par value, not the actual price that we sold the preferred stock at. So in this case, the par value is $110. So that gives us a dividend of $8.80. And the second step is we want to determine what the net proceeds are from the issue. In this case, we take the gross proceeds. So again, determining the net proceeds, we're going to use the gross, which is $113.30. And this is how much was received from the sale of preferred stock. So based on market conditions, we sold it for a little bit higher, sold it for a premium to par. And we want to subtract the flotation costs, or the costs that were incurred to the investment bankers who put the issue together. And that's going to give us net proceeds from the issue of $103.40. So then to calculate the cost of capital from preferred stock, what we do is just take that dividend amount that we're going to pay each year to the preferred stockholder and divide it by the net proceeds that we actually received from the issue. So $8.80 divided by $103.40, and that's going to give us a cost of preferred stock of 8.51%. And again, this will be the cost of preferred stock that would be applicable, or that will be used towards determining our weighted average cost of capital.